Hey gamers, how you all doing? Welcome back to App Guide. So if you're wondering how you can log into your Genshin account, this video will show you how exactly you can do it. It's a very simple process. Follow the step in the video, watch the entire video and you will do it in no time. The first thing you want to do is open your browser, then search Genshin. Now go to the first link. Here, tap on the official site button. Then you will be sent to their official site. On the top right, you will see an option to log in. Tap on that. Here, you need to fill in your username or your email address and your password, or you can log in with Google, Apple ID, Facebook or Twitter. So I'll put in my email address. Now tap on the login button. Once you have done that, you'll be into your account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If it did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another information. Goodbye.